Hi everybody, this is Debbie from Stamp On It, and this is a jammy video. Jammy video, as most of you already know, many of you are not our newcomers, but it's a video that we designed it so you can just sit in your jammies and watch, or I can be in my jammies and nobody knows. So let's get started with this. This is a fairly short video, but I am super excited about this. This is a product we carried years back and in our booth in past years. And then for a while we couldn't get them. So we had to take them off our website, and we have been able to get in 90 of them. So this video will be up as long as we have the 90, and then if we can't get them anymore, which we don't know for sure if they will be available again, we will take the video down. But I'm going to just go through it very quickly to show you what it's all about. I am super excited about this, as you can tell, and hopefully I'm not shaking. I'm so excited, but I love organization. This is it's an outline sticker organizer book, and I'm just going to show you very quickly because sometimes just seeing it in a picture just doesn't do it justice as to how cool it really is. It has a vinyl front and back cover. It is bound in the center here. It has 24 pages with 2 pockets in each, so 48 compartments in each book. All right, now I'm going to switch to one that I have already loaded or put stickers into and just show you a little bit. So one of the reasons I'm really super excited about it is a great value. And we also have a quantity discount on our website. Check that out, the pricing. But what's really cool is it just puts them right at your fingertips. In this particular book, I have chosen to put copper in. And what we do is, and you can do it several ways, just depending on your organizational level and skills and how you want it done, but you can go by color in a book, or some people will take all of their corners and borders and put them into a book. Some will take all of their texts and greetings and put them into a book, and then all of their designs of, say, gardening or flowers in a book, and so on and so forth. Or you can go by color. There's black, there's gold, there's silver, there's white, and there's copper. And then of course there are multicolor, other kinds of stick, not multicolor, but like here is a mirror green. So you could have a book for all your unusual color stickers too. Just depends on how many you have and to what level you want to go. But here's how the book works. It has the pockets, and in this particular pages I've put a page in each pocket and then a page on the back side. Now, depending on how many stickers you have of a design, you may want to do this, and then you can flip through and you can see all your different ones of, say, in this case, copper. Or if you have multiples of something, you can, instead of going front and back, you can do something like this. Here's a Valentine's sticker, and I have extras of those, let's say, so I can put multiples in a pocket. For example, in this particular pocket, I already have 4 sheets, and it still has plenty of room for more. Okay, so just depending on how you want to go, you can load them front and back, or if you have a lot of something, you can put it all in one pocket. Okay. Now, one thing we have noticed in past in carrying this is that because it's bound here and it's bound with a heat binding, this pocket on the inside will tend to be a little bit smaller sometimes because of the binding. So when you fill your pockets or empty your pockets, take your stuff out, make sure that your sheet is not maybe laying over here where it's buckled here or bowed here, because that makes this pocket tight. Make sure that you kind of figure out what you want and maybe flip the page over and then pull the sticker out, and it will come in and out very freely. Or what I've had some people do is they will take a trimmer, and most of our outline stickers, if not all of them, have an edge on both sides that is not used. So you could, if you have sheets that have a lot of images on them and you are going to use them for quite a while, for example, this Happy Valentine's is a good subject for that. I could cut the edge, one edge off from here, make that sheet smaller. It would slide in and out very quickly because some of us just don't have patience to wait, you know, for that sheet to slide in and out. So I've trimmed this one, and now I can flip this sheet over and I can place it into here very easily, like that. So when I flip this back over, there it is. Okay, so that's just a little tidbit there. If you are annoyed by, sliding the sheets in and out a lot and you just don't have patience for those sheets to slide in, trim them down. Especially, like I said, if you have multiples on a sheet, that's going to, be in your book for quite some time. But anyways, that is the sticker organizer. Now, we are using it for stickers, but trust me, it's great for organizing other things, other types of stickers, small dies, border folders, okay? The binding is probably about an inch thick, but it has a lot of room in there to load it up. You can write with a permanent marker on here. It is got a little bit of texture to it, so when you write on it, or maybe you could put a sticker on there to label it if you need to. But that is the sticker organizer book, and it has 24 pages, 48 compartments. Check it out on our website. You are going to absolutely, hands down, love this product. It is fantastic. Get them while we have them. We only have 90 available, so go for it. Check it out. And thanks for joining us.